Hi, I'm Loraine Lacey. I work with Freeman Pearce Insurance Agency, and I'm currently the president of the independent insurance agents and brokers in our territory. Today I'd like to talk about non-owned and hired auto and the importance to you as a business owner to have this coverage on your policy. What is non-owned auto? It is a vehicle that you as the business owner do not own, but your employee owns it. However, you have asked the employee to do things for you. For example, going to the store to pick up supplies. Or maybe you're a contractor and you have one of your people go from job to job to job in their own vehicle. Hired auto insurance is the coverage that you would need if, for a situation, you had to go and rent a car for the day or a truck, and the insurance is going to be required before you can take the vehicle off the premises. The first policy where you will find this coverage is on a commercial auto policy, which of course you would have if you had company-owned vehicles. This is not automatic coverage. You must ask to have it covered. However, if you're a business that does not own commercial vehicles, therefore you would not need a commercial policy, then what would you do? If you have a business owner's policy, or a BOP as they call it, there are situations where you can add your non-owned auto coverage to this policy. But there's a concern here, and the concern is if they know that your employees are daily using their vehicles. Many of the people that write the insurance, the business insurance, will not include non-owned auto because the risk is too great for the small premium. If in fact employees are driving their own vehicles and you are counting on their personal insurance because you have no other option, then here's two things you need to do. First of all, you need to require that they carry a certain amount of liability on their own policy. The second thing to do is this. You want to be sure that what the employee told you is true. Therefore, you ask for copies of the insurance policy, and you ask for them on a regular basis as his policy renews to verify that he is carrying at least the minimum you require of whatever the amount. I do suggest that when you ask him to carry a certain amount of liability, you put it in writing and have him sign it so that he is aware that that is his responsibility. It is difficult to imagine that sometime during this year, you would not ask an employee to go and do a favor for you, pick up something at the store, where you would really need that non-owned coverage to protect her and to protect your business. So call your agent today to be sure that you have this coverage, and if you don't, add it to the policy. You will be so glad that you did. I'm Loraine Lacey. Thank you for watching this video.